Hi everyone, welcome back to Data in Action. Today we are diving into a fascinating world of spatial analytics, and I'm pleased to be joined by Oles Laba, a principal data engineer at NAX, bringing over 11 years of extensive experience in the field. Oles, thank you for being here.
Great to be here, Rostislav. Looking forward to our discussion.
So Oles, to kick things off, how are organizations today using spatial analytics beyond just maps and locations?
That's a great place to start. So, the spatial analytics has evolved far beyond traditional mapping. Today, leading organizations are integrating geospatial data with customer behavior, logistics, and even environmental impact analysis. For example, retailers are optimizing store placements using foot traffic heat maps, while logistics companies are dynamically adjusting delivery routes in real time based on the traffic or even weather. The real power comes when you blend spatial data with other domains like temporal data or IoT sensor streams, and that helps to uncover patterns that weren't visible before. And geospatial data gives you the where, but when you combine it with DataOps practices, it becomes actionable and scale in near real time.
Good insights. It sounds like very big potential. Now, when teams try to leverage this power, what are some of the biggest challenges they faced when scaling geodata pipelines?
One of the biggest challenges is that geodata often comes in different formats, resolutions, and even projections. And aligning it all together is a huge task. On top of that, traditional ETL tools weren't designed for special workloads, and therefore team needs to rethink how to store, transform, or even serve the data. Another major challenge is performance. Special joins and computations can be really heavy, and especially at the scale. That's where DataOps principles come in, because automating testing, versioning, and deployment of geoprocessing pipelines helps ensure consistency and speed. Also, with use case like fleet tracking or disaster response, latency really matters. And that's why we see a growing shift toward cloud-native spatial processing and event-driven development.
It's clear that performance and consistency are critical. You mentioned data ops a couple of times. How does data ops specifically help teams unlock the value of spatial analytics?
That's a great question, and I hope that you ask it. So DataOps helps geodata actually be usable across teams. Think of it as DevOps, but for data. It's about automation, monitoring, and continuous delivery. With geodata, you're dealing with large files, streaming inputs, complex joins, and frequent updates. But DataOps helps you versioning special layers, automating special joins, and ensuring that updates don't break down the downstream workflows. Also, it enables collaboration between data engineers, GIS experts, and analysts, and it historically has been a big gap. When special pipelines are treated as code, we can see that it really becomes scalable and reliable.
Yes, it's fantastic explanation how DataOps bridges the gap and brings true value to spatial data. Thank you, Alice, for shedding light on this critical aspect. We appreciate your tuning in to Data in Action. I hope today's discussion offered compelling insights into dynamic world of spatial analytics and geodata. And we would like to hear your perspective. Share your thoughts or questions for our experts in comments, or connect with me directly on LinkedIn. The link is available in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more episodes. Until next time, keep putting your data in action.